Hey guys, this is Rocky from the Red Wolf Tech team, and today I am bringing a guide on how to install the DayZ mod for your game ARMA II. Okay, before we start off this installation, I would like to tell you the minimum requirements for this guide. You must have Steam, and you must also have the ARMA II Combined Operations pack bought, which goes for around $40 on Steam stores. After you got both of them things, which of course you probably do because you're looking at this guide, you must get two programs called 6 Launcher and ARMA II Launcher. Now I'm going to show you how to get these two programs. If you don't want to watch these steps, the links are in the description so you can download these two programs. First of all, open up your internet browser and in Google type in 6 Updater. Oh, now it should come up saying 6updater.net. The very first link. Now click on to download and you will see download and whatever version it is. For now it's version 2.97. Once you download it, save the file. Of course, give it a couple of seconds. Once your download is done, what you want to do is install the program, and I already have installed, so I'm just going to show you what's going to pop up. Once you do have it, go into all programs and you will see something like 6 projects. Go over to here and you will see a 6 Launcher. Open up 6 Launcher. And it's gonna take a wee while to register, and when this updater comes on, click cancel because it never does update. You have to download automatically. The auto updater does not work. It will take a couple of minutes to load up. Give it a bit of time. Just before we do get into this, I'm going to explain you what this program actually does. What will this do? It will try to join a random server, but it will realize you don't have the DayZ mod, and it will download the beta patch and the DayZ mod that you need all in one, and it will place it into the correct files it needed to be, so we don't have to do it manually. So yeah, just gotta wait for it to load up now. Okay, now all you have to do is press quick play, and as you can see it's verifying. This might take a minute or two. I'm just going to pause the video until it's done verifying and updating. Okay, now once you get this message saying the mod has been updated, would you like to review the changelog? Just press no. Let it verify one more minute. I don't know, it should take around 30 seconds, 10 minutes. Just gonna pause until it's done again. Now as you can see, it started updating again. What it's doing right now, it's installing the beta patch. This will take another minute, maybe 2 minutes. So I am just going to pause it until it's, and then we can carry on. Okay, now we're near done updating. Just a few more seconds. Now I think it's going to verify more things just to make sure everything is in place, so I'm just going to pause it again and make sure everything is okay. Now once everything else is done, you should see a big green button saying play and these wee bars loading up. What this means, that means is the game going to be launched with the mod installed, but it will not always work. For some it might, but for me it didn't work, so this is kind of a glitch fix. Anyway, as you can see, this is a wee pop-up box. Just press OK, don't worry about it, it's nothing wrong, there's nothing bad with it. Anyways, if this works for you from the way it is right now and you're playing fine, then that's your installation done. If it's not, please follow what I do next to get it fully to work with the beta patch. Because it did not work for me, you might get messages like you cannot edit or play. Also, if you get a message like this, ignore it as well. It's not going to look, as you can see, it said you cannot play or edit this game. So I'm going to show you how to fix that right now because I kept on getting that. Some people say run your Steam as admin. It will not work. The only reason it's not working because you must run your game as combined operations. If you go into Steam and run as combined operations, if it works, you're in. If it does not, then it won't work. I'm now going to show you how to run your ARMA II as combined operations and make sure it 100% works. First of all, what you want to do is open up google.com and type in ARMA II launcher. Now as you can see the very first link, Armaholic, go on to this link, scroll down to the very bottom of the page, click on the download from FTP1. Now as you can see, just download it, extract it and install it. I already have it downloaded and extracted and installed. On your desktop you should see it right here, as you can see, ARMA II launcher. Open it up and straight away you will see at DayZ. First of all, this will pop up in your own anyway. No, sorry, I mean you're gonna have to add the mod from go into add-on options and find your Steam folder, which will be in my computer, local disk C, whatever your local disk is, program files. Scroll all the way down to Steam. Once you find Steam, go into Steam apps, common, and then ARMA II Operation Arrowheads. Expansions. Oh wait, sorry, not expansions. At DayZ, and then OK. The rest is already in the list, as you can see for me. Make sure that's up at the very top. Okay, sorry for that, it just crashed. It shouldn't really do that. But anyway, this will come up right up here, and this is the good thing. What you want to do next is click on the little plus here, and you will see it will be a folder called, I'm not sure what exactly it's called, but what you want to do is rename it and call it DayZ. Open up your folder and you will see there will be no file here. Let me remove it. So it will just be, make sure these two are checked, and then drag the DayZ file all the way from the left side to your right side. Give it a minute. Oops, sorry, into the folder inside, and then mark it. Make sure it's checked. Now once that is done, you're nearly done. Make sure your game version is set to ARMA II Combined Operations and play online. After that, go into launch options, and now you're going to have to show the location of your ARMA II and ARMA II Operation Arrowhead. So you want to go browse through your local disk into your program files, open up Steam again. Let me just find it. There's Steam, find your Steam apps, common, ARMA II, and then arma2.exe. Once you have that done, do the same with the Operation Arrowhead, which is arma2a20a.exe. Once that is done, you have to show the location of your beta, which will be inside the Operation Arrowhead expansions and then beta right here, just like that, like this one. Inside the beta it will be arma2oa.exe. Once that is done, what you want to do is have this checked, run beta, like this. Once that is done, what you want to do is start the game, and that's you. That's 100% working. Just to make sure that it is 100% working, I'm going to show you what to look out for in a minute once my game loads up. But yeah, that's basically you done. If you need any questions, anything else, what you want to do is comment. I will reply within a few hours. I'm always online, or else if it's not, it'll be somebody else from my team. Also, please comment, rate, subscribe, and a huge shout out to Red Wolf team. If you want to download our web browser, a link will be in the description. It's free and it's really fast of use. Okay, now just before I leave you to playing our DayZ, I am going to show you how to notice that you have the patch. You're running beta and you're running DayZ. As you can see, it says ARMA II beta expansion at DayZ, and at the bottom you see ARMA II Operation Arrowhead and just normal ARMA II. What next you want to do is go into multiplayer, join a server, and you're free to play. Have fun, guys. That's it, thanks.